Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bust a Groove. This unique rhythm action game challenges you to outdance your opponents in a vibrant, funky world. You'll learn the fundamental steps to master the beat, unleash spectacular moves, and ultimately become the ultimate dance champion. Get ready to groove and bust out some serious moves as we dive into the exciting gameplay mechanics. To master the basics, you'll primarily use the directional pad and one action button. Watch the on-screen prompts and press the corresponding directions and button in perfect rhythm with the music. Each character has a distinct set of 4 fundamental moves. Successfully chaining these together builds your groove meter, preparing you for more advanced techniques. Practice these basic inputs to build a strong foundation for your dance battles. Once your groove meter fills to 3 segments, you're ready to unleash a devastating bust move. These are powerful special attacks unique to each character. To perform one, input a specific 4-direction sequence followed by an action button press. Timing is still key, even for these advanced maneuvers. Successfully landing a bust move can turn the tide of a battle, dealing heavy damage and potentially stunning your rival. Winning in Bust a Groove isn't just about rhythm, it's also about strategy. Pay close attention to your opponent's dance patterns and try to predict when they might attempt a bust move. Use your own special attacks defensively to break their rhythm, or offensively to secure a knockout. Experiment with the diverse cast of characters, each with unique moves and styles, to discover your perfect dance partner and dominate the dance floor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.